Spin It Unique Specialty and Classics 1966 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle Sport Coupe. This one does have the bucket and center console set up. Original California car. Has a built 350 underneath the hood with Vortec heads, long tube headers, HEI ignition, actually dyno sheets in there also. Approximately 365 horse, 420 pound-feet of torque. So this one will run out good. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the front of this. Also nice shape, and the bright work and chrome all the way around this car. We'll take a look at it as we do a little walk around here. Marina blue, FF paint code. So very similar to the way that this would have been produced back in 1966. Also medium bright blue bucket interior. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I mentioned originally a California car. I believe it was produced in Fremont, if I remember right. Something else to take a look at, the underside pictures of this. Take a look at the floor pans, how solid they are. Trunk, look them over close. It'll probably be close to 100 pictures of this car online. Here's that bucket seat interior. Set up similar to the SS Chevelles. And then that center console with a clock. Does have an aftermarket stereo system that was added that is in working condition. As far as that engine, I mentioned it was rebuilt. It's had 2 oil changes since the break-in oil. 520 is what was recommended oil-wise. So this one's ready to go. Turn the key, have a little fun. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. That 350 is paired up with an automatic transmission. Kick down on it is set and working properly. If you notice when we were walking around the front there on the sides, it does have Krager chrome wheels. Those are also newer, as well as the tires. And again, check out the still pictures. There'll be close-ups of all of that and much more on this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. It was a factory AC car also. The AC is not hooked up as far as the components under the hood. But they will go with the car, radiator, compressor, all of that. Those will be in the trunk and be sent with the car. So factory AC car, which doesn't surprise you coming out of California. One thing I wanted to point out too while I was up here, there is one little imperfection in the paint. This is an older paint job too, but it still shows very well. One little imperfection there. And I guess if I'm getting really fussy, kind of a spot there may not even show up on the video or camera. But again, paint shows very well. This is a nice one to take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and take a look at this interior. Look at the condition of that. No rips, tears, holes are fading. Seat belts intact up front there. Take a look at the headliner, great shape. Very stock looking dash, of course, with the exception of that aftermarket stereo. Door panels. All right, in the still pictures, you'll also be able to see the VIN tag. You'll see the data tag, so where I'm coming up with that information. Be able to see that for yourself. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts? Wipers do work, FYI. Again, stereo system also works. There you can see, still has everything hooked up underneath the dash as far as the AC. Components for the controls all there. Nice sounding car. Flip around to the back so you can hear this. A little bit of a cam to it. Nothing crazy. Look at how that door shuts and how nice this thing fits. Body panels. Take off the line there. Remember, long tube headers, 350, Vortex heads. HEI ignition. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open. It's going to take a second here. I did notice the springs for the hood hinges are a little weak. We're going to get that set up and get the hood open. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the hood pop. Take a look at the engine bay, aluminum radiator, get long tube headers, quick fuel, 4-barrel underneath there, which is new. Dyno, approximately 365 horse, 420 pound-feet of torque, AGI ignition. Listen to that, just sounds beautiful. It's smooth running V8, and again, recently rebuilt. Braking oil in it is out of it, has had 2 oil changes. That's paired up with the automatic transmission. Ready to roll, 1966 Chevy Malibu Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.